Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, I will actually be trimming my locks today. I just finished using this dry shampoo here, and if you are interested in learning more about this product that I just found out that I actually love, definitely check out my most recent video, which is me using a dry shampoo to cleanse my locks in between shampooing. Let me give you a closer look at my locks. I probably could have used a trim before I started my locks, and typically I tell people that they don't really have to get a trim when they're first starting off because dead hair will also lock. So I didn't get a trim either. However, I did notice that in certain areas, especially in the middle of my hair where it was a little weak for a while and then it started to grow out healthy, at the ends of my locks there's some of that weak hair still there, and you can just see that it's like, you see this little skinny piece right here. That piece will never thicken up because it's just not dense. So I kind of have those little pieces at the ends of most of my locks that's in the middle, but then some of them that are all over the place. So it kind of looks a little wonky to me when they're sticking up with these little pieces at the ends. So I'm just gonna cut them off. Twist it around my finger, and as I do this I can feel where it gets skinny, and I'm just cut that off. It's more uniform. If you've ever trimmed 4C hair, especially in its curly state, I might have to go back and do this again. It's because I might not get them all right now. But here's another one. So here's the full lock, and it sort of kind of gets thin around here. It just looks so much better now. Look at it. This is so thick. It's a lot thicker at the end. It's just the same as kind of when you cut loose natural hair. You can just see it kind of bounce back. It just looks thicker immediately. Go ahead. Snip that. And it immediately looks thicker. Most of them actually have this, so I'll be trimming the majority of my locks. Cut all the way around. You might not see the difference, but I definitely see the difference. My locks just look thicker. It's making them look more fuller. I didn't necessarily think that would happen, but it actually makes sense because that's what happens when you cut loose hair. But yeah, so that's it. Even these ones in the middle of my hair just look so much more healthy because they look thick at the end, you know? So that's that. Thank you for tuning in. I understand that this title was probably shocking to everyone, kind of like trimming starter locks. Why? I do hope that it's helpful. So yeah, these are the little ends. I have lip gloss in this whole video. But yeah, so this is the final result. The reason I waited until now, which is about 4 months into my journey, is because I needed those little ends to do some styles that I had, like putting them in the barrel twist and stuff like that. Those little ends just gave me like a extra half an inch, extra quarter of an inch in order to like style without pain. If you follow me for any amount of time, you can kind of look back to see that I've always had short hair. So cutting my hair, cutting dead ends or anything like that has never really given me anxiety. I'm quick to cut stuff off because it's going to grow right back. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support of my channel. I'm really enjoying seeing my channel grow, and your subscriptions and your comments and your engagement just help to get my videos out to more and more people. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time in my next video.